US guys, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification required on App Store. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your settings and type on Apple ID profile. Scroll down, type on media and purchase and type on view account. Type on country region. Type on again country region, select your country. I have select United States. Terms and condition, read carefully and type on agree and type on again agree. You as can see payment method, select debit card and credit card. You have select none, that's it, and put your information. This information is fake, you can put right information and select your state and put your zip code and put your phone number. Type on next. Go back your home screen and open your App Store and install any one apps. Type on install. You as can see app install without any problem. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.